This video is going to be instructions on how to complete travel paperwork for the Office of Student Engagement if your student organization is wanting to travel. This paperwork needs to be completed if you are traveling 10 miles or more outside of Springfield. So the first thing you want to do is log on to Missouri State's campus link and make sure you're signed in the top right corner. It has your initial. Then you're going to go into the search bar and you're going to type Office of Student Engagement and click on that. And you're going to scroll down to the bottom underneath the tab that says Forms. Now the first form that you're going to want to fill out is the trip registration form. So you're going to click on that. And that form can be filled out by a social chair, by a president. There only needs to be one filled out for the trip itself. So you're going to answer all of the questions, especially the ones that have the red asterisk. Those are required. And then if you scroll down here, if you are taking a personal vehicle or a rental vehicle, something that's not an airplane or a train, you're going to also need to fill out a vehicle and passenger information form. So you can click right here and it will take you to this tab here on the Missouri State website. You'll click on that right there, vehicle and passenger information form. It'll download a Word document that you'll need to fill out with all of the drivers and passengers and the make and models of all the cars. So once you have that filled out, you'll exit out and upload that file right here. That is required if you're using a rental or personal vehicle, so make sure you upload that form before you submit the trip registration form or it will be denied. Then down here you enter the name of every person attending. If the list is really long and you'd like to submit a spreadsheet or something like that, you can upload that instead here. So once you're done completing all of these forms, or all of the questions on this form, you can hit submit. And then the second thing that you need to do is go back to that Office of Student Engagement page. Scroll down to Forms, here to Organization, Trip, and Activity Release Form. You're going to click on that. And every person who is attending the trip that attends MSU needs to fill this out. So even if they are not in your organization, but they attend MSU and they're going on the trip with your organization, they need to fill out this form. Make sure that they include their personal vehicle information as well down here and submit that. Once all of that is submitted, the paperwork will be reviewed in the OSC, and then your advisor will be emailed to make sure they approve of the trip. And then once that is done, the trip registration form will be approved on campus links so you know that you are good to go.